Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Lahat dito. Ngayon eto. Igagawin ko to sa China's Kitchen, guys. Eto lang. Ayan. Sorry, magsa-sandwich ulit siya. Yung kaldereta. And ayan yung garlic bread, spaghetti. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, August 5. Check out na kami dito. Tatanggalin namin yung mga bed sheets. Tapos, maglinis ng konti. Then, alis na tayo. Punta na tayo ng city. Mga bata tulog pa. Pero naririnig ko na si Kyle. Kakigising lang din niya. Narinig ko yung alarm niya. So, maglinis muna kami. And, nag-upload ako. 61%. Kagabi pa yan. Buti lang natapos ko yung edit ko kagabi siguro mga 11, quarter to 11. Tapos yun, in-upload ko na siya. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Punta natin yung girls. Ayan si Zoe. So maglinis muna kami. Nakaligo na pala ako and naka-impake na. Ayan na yung aming mga maruruming damit. And si Jan, tsaka yung mga bata, hindi pa sila naliligo kaya hindi ko pa yun napapak. Tapos, gagawin ko na lang ay, eto, tatanggalin ko yung bed sheets. Tsaka, pillowcases. And, yeah. So, ayan siya. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Did Daddy wake you up? Say good morning, people. Say good morning. Papa. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Here. Say good morning, people.
Good morning, peoples.
People. How about this one, hon? No.
No, I don't think. I think it's that one and that one. And the pillowcases.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear.
Why they don't wash this?
Oh,
You should wash this.
Yes.
Hindi lang po tatanggalin. Dapat nilalagay niya ito.
Where's Party Chicken?
'Cause baby, you got me down to almost
Ayun, tapos na kumakanta si Jan. Yung next ay yung sa mga hey boys, remove the bed sheets, okay? And pillowcases. Okay? 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 Okay, nagbibisi sa Mag-ayos na tayo ng face. And yung mukha ko pala, medyo nag-okay-okay na siya compare kahapon. Yung magaspang lang naman ay dito sa side. Etong side na to. Sabi ni Jam, baka raw sa hangin. Kasi okay, dito okay na dito, oh. Soft na siya. Kahapon, ang gaspang-gaspang. Dito, konti na lang. For the rest, okay na. Ayan si Kuya. Tinawag niya ako kanina. Put on the side. Put on the floor. And you too, Cobs. You have to remove your bed sheets here.
Yeah, just gonna
Okay. And brush your teeth, boys. Ilay lang ako at saka nag-moisturize. Mamaya ako maglalagay ng sunscreen. Kunin ko muna yung mga dapat ko yung dito sa taas. Yeah, okay. Breakfast niya daw. Wait. Itong rice cooker, may konti pa siyang rice. Hi, Chona. Hi, good morning, Kylie. Meron pa akong bigas. Ayan, oh. Hindi tayo naubusan ng bigas.
Look at the paintings of
And ito. Ito yung vitamins ng mga bata. You ready to brush your teeth? It's alright. Kasi bro. Ayusin ko lang ito. So, ayan. Okay na to. Nasaan yung aking maliit na kutsara? Andito pa yung wooden. Ayan. And yung aking mga cookware. Ayan. Dito na sila. Yung aking handle. Ayan. Yung toyo, binigay ko na kay Kyle kasi gustong-gusto niya yung toyo. Yung soya sauce kasi yun ang ginamit niya sa fried rice. And nagustuhan niya. Sabi ko, sige, sa'yo na lang yun. Kasi bibili naman tayo niya sa Asian store. So, kunin natin yung mangga. And ito yung pinakulang kong full eggs. Dadalhin natin. Yan na yung breakfast ko. And yung matamis na mangga at saka yung maasim. Ayan, di talaga sila nagalaw. And yung ating apple custard. And meron pa kaming apples. Tapos mandarins. Mamaya pakainin niya sa mga bata. So, ito, ilagay ko na muna ito dun sa ating eco bag. So, ayan, punong-puno yung ating eco bag. Okay na ito. So, ayan, okay na sila. And dito sa pantry, marami pa kami ditong hindi nagalaw. Ito, dadalhin ko to. And ito. Tapos may flour pa. Sugar. Ayan, dami pang food. Ito, ibibigay ko na. Ito yung ibibigay ko na kay Kylie. Yung toyo na Silver Swan. Gustong gusto niya. Kahit si Joe, nagustuhan niya. Tapos may patatas pa kami. Yung peanut butter. Daling ko to. Ito kay Kylie. Ito yung sage. Okay. And ayan, meron pa dyan. Ayan. Ayan kay Kylie yan.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
Ito pa pala yung corn flour. And yung ibang vegetables na dala ko, yung carrots may tira pa. So, linagay ko na dito. Honey, bring that in the car now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's ours. Make sure this one you don't put nothing on top, okay? Thank you. Sack help, Daddy. Oh, sige.
Sorry.
Oh, wag na. Ako na lang. Yung rice. No, I'm right. Yeah, thank you.
What else are you gonna like? What?
Careful, hon. Good exercise here, honey. Bihisan ko na si Holly. Come on, let me see, Papa. Come here. Ayan, okay na si Holly. Di ko mahanap yung yellow niyang ganito.
That's why you need green.
Yeah, but I want the yellow as well, Holly. Where is it?
To match it inside.
No, I didn't. Hindi ko mahanap yung kanyang yellow na ribbons.
Kuya.
Siya nito yung nagpack, diba? Organize siya, pero hindi ko alam kung saan niya linagay yung kanyang
Hi. Yeah.
bows. Okay. Give it to daddy.
Take the phone.
Huh? You had that? Yeah, so put that in your bag. So, no, not here. So, ito yung suot ko today. Ayan, ito nga yung white t-shirt. And ito yung aking Versace na jacket. Sobrang tagal na nito sa akin. Ay, may print siya sa likod. Siguro mga 12 years na to sa akin. Meron tong pants pero hindi ko sinusuot. Ito lang lagi kong sinusuot. Etong jacket. So, yan. And crossbody bag. Tapos yung Tommy na sapatos. Tapos leggings ulit. Kasi leggings is life. And yung eggs. And yung aking phone and laptop. Okay, alis na tayo. Check lang natin. For the last time, bago tayo sumakay. Ayan. Ha? Nawala ni Holly yung kanyang bouncy ball. Yung pink. Nahanap na, tapos nawala niya ulit. Lights, yeah. Jen will come back here. Okay, lights. Ito, wala na dito. Here, honey. Your wallet. You got your wallet? Okay, wala na tayong naiwan. Yung bouncy ball lang talaga ni Holly. Come on, boys! Come on. Okay. Ayun ulit si Sak. Asan na si Sak?
Right. Right.
Turn.
Yeah, you're right.
Alright.
Stop it.
Yeah, come on.
Stop it.
Yeah, okay. Let's go. Okay, we're going to the city na, guys. Bye, house.
It's so nice like this. I can like.
Ayan, bye. Thank you sa 5 nights. Whoops.
Oh yeah, I want to relax.
Where's Kuya? Where's Kuya?
Behind there.
Come on, Kuya.
He just hates going down there.
Okay. Your watch? Where's your watch, Kuya?
Oh, left it.
Where?
Here.
My God, Tyron. Nah.
Where are they?
Say good morning. Did you say good morning?
Morning. Mom, what?
Still uploading pa pala yung vlog for today. Ayan, 63 to kanina or 61. Ayan, 65%. Ang bagal talaga. Kinunin ko na siya sa phone ko. And medyo sunny. Stop lang dito sa shop, guys. Kasi si Kali may kukunin natin siya something. Monster, Saki. Monster. Bakuha siya ng ano. Hindi ko rin alam. And after dito sa shop, punta tayo sa Mayponga Reservoir.
buy something.
May madadaanan daw kasi, so pupuntahan natin yan. Ito na, guys, si Mayponga. Mayponga.
Local. It's at Haylett Cove.
Or is it, hon?
It's not at Highland Cove.
That's for later. That's for later, Kuya. Daddy just wanna see what's in here. There's nothing. Wala naman pala dito, guys. Yun lang.
Where's the big turn thing? There's a car behind you.
Hinahanap niya yung ano, yung may, ewan ko anong hinahanap niya, yung may pattern daw.
Yeah, the big turn, the big waterfall and that.
Nakita kasi nila to sa news, itong Mayponga. Hinahanap niya talaga yung Mayponga
Where's
Reservoir.
that thing we seen on the news, Red?
Yung nakita nila sa
You know, when you
news.
drive and you see the big wall and everything?
Ayan, kumuha sila ng breakfast. Kami okay naman yung mga bata, hindi daw sila gutom.
Haylett.
Gusto niyang i-check yung nakita niya sa news. Where is the lookout, ha? Yan lang yung nakita nating lookout. Ponga. That one, han.
Ponga Reservoir, look.
Dad. This ringing.
There you go.
Alright.
Where are you now?
Just left pick the harbour.
Di ba tumawag si Dad? Nandito sila sa Adelaide.
They're thick around here, Red.
So baka
You have to get up
punta
here.
natin sila bukas. So ngayon nahanap na ni Jan yung kanyang hinahanap. 4 kilometers, han? Daddy? Yep. Naka-public na siya, guys. What? Don't open. Gusto ko sanang kain. Ayaw ni Jan ang amoy ng itlog sa car. Gusto ko siyang kainin. Maya kaso pinipigilan tayo ni Johnny Boy.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
So foggy. Nasa taas tayo, guys. Kanina may nakita ako doon na tubig, dagat. It's so foggy. Oh, look at that ship, Baba. Yeah, baby ship.
You a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do.
Wow! Yun lang yung view dito. Kasi hindi nyo kasi masyado ma-appreciate sa camera. Pero sa personal, ang ganda nila. Oh, look at that!
I have one sleep.
Look at that, Papa. Oh!
What does 10 ton mean?
10-ton weight.
If we
Ito yung
go
gusto.
to the bakery.
Here it is,
Tingnan ni
look,
Jen.
down
Look at
there.
that one down there,
That's
Han.
where we're going.
Oh, we're going down.
Oh, no.
no.
Sugar. Got Daddy's hand.
Look at
Can I
that.
tell you something?
Ang ganda.
Dad,
What?
we would be
Oh, bababa tayo.
in 9 minutes we would be at Adelaide.
Look at that, oh.
Look, it's 10:41.
May, anong
Oh,
tawag
look, there's
dyan?
water coming out.
Water
Oh, that'll be a good slide.
No, it's not. Oh,
Oh, yeah,
oh, oh,
yeah.
oh. Here, I think you're going here, Han.
We'll get up and have a look first.
Okay.
Then we'll go down.
Alright, okay. Baba muna tayo para magtingin-tingin. Sightseeing.
Oh, hey, sakang mag-ina.
Wow!
Wow!
Ang ganda, oh. Ang lamig nga lang. It's wet here. Careful, Baba. Uy, oh my God! Nakakatakot! Pupunta tayo dyan mamaya, oh. Dadan tayo. Wow!
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Kissed up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep.
Oh, yeah.
No, Dad, there's lines. See?
Yeah, I'm so
Yeah.
rough.
Dito na tayo sa baba.
Look, there's a dead end.
Where? Where's the dead end sack? Yan, dinaanan na natin siya, guys. Oh, what's that, Han? Going down? Huh? Oh my God, tingnan nyo, mayroon pa doon na ano, may pinakababa pa. Okay, makita mukha ni Chona na nakita nyo.
Just high enough so you can't see over it when you drive over that thing, eh?
Yeah.
100. And then not behind us.
Sabi ni Jan, magda-drive lang daw papunta dito.
Where's the
And
hill?
tingnan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin nitong road na to.
I just want to
What's that,
go to
Papa?
the hill.
Look at that, Baba. Oh, it's a mountain.
But we didn't go down the hill.
We did.
We didn't.
Not yet. See that one? Look. Nice there. This is farm now, huh? No?
Yeah.
Farm. Yung may Ponga Beach, papunta doon. Kaso, ano siya? Hindi siya semento, so hindi namin dinaanan. So, diretso tayo dito.
Say that.
Tingnan nyo guys. Yeah, nice view sabi ni John.
Really good.
Hindi nyo nga lang masyado ma-appreciate.
Oh my God.
Tapos yung mga baka, ang liliit na nila sa sobrang laki ng mga lupain. And andito, mga sheep naman ang nandito. O, tingnan nyo, ang liliit nila tingnan. Kasi malaki yung kanilang farm.
So they're massive.
Yeah, massive. Tingnan yung mga sheep, o, ang liliit na nila tingnan. Ang ganda talaga ng view, guys. Pasensya na kung paulit-ulit ako kasi sobra talagang ganda.
Where's my phone?
Si Jan, hindi rin siya makapaniwala na nadidiscover namin ang mga views na to. Tingnan niyo, oh. Yun, oh. Ocean na yun. Yung blue yun, ocean. Makadaan, eh. Tapos mountains. Tingnan niyo, oh. Nice, yeah. Worth it daw yung pagdadrive namin. Ginawa natin ay nagdadrive lang talaga tayo. Look at that.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Look at the grass.
I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet.
Ito yung mga bahay dito sa may Ponga. Yeah, look at that one. Nice houses. Dinala kami ng road, guys. Alam niyo kung saan? Sa Normanville. Pumunta na tayo dito before, di ba? Ang galing. Doon, oh. Right, Han? We've been there, right?
Still stick.
Yung magandang view na pababa, na yung dagat yung nakikita natin. Yung pala, Normanville na yun. Balik na tayo sa may Ponga, guys. Galing tayo sa may Ponga pero lumabas tayo ng Cape Jervis and Normanville. So ngayon, balik na ulit tayo. Is this new road, Han?
No. We come here, we went to the waterfalls. I reckon we'll go to my Ponga.
My Ponga.
Turn left again.
Alright.
Just done a big circle.
Yeah. So, umikot lang tayo, guys. Dito na tayo sa may Ponga. Nakabalik na tayo. Pababa naman tayo ngayon.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Now there's coffee on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans. And it's never been as easy as when you're lying with me. I just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet. That's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough.
Tapos na akong kumain ng eggs, pero hindi ko naman siya naubos. Mayroon pa sigurong apat. Apat na tira. And hindi pa pala tayo pupunta ng city kasi may dadaanan daw muna tayo bago sa city. Punta raw tayo ng Halit Cove.
Pallet Cove.
Oh, Halit Cove. Bago tayo pumunta ng city. Muna tayo guys. Tingnan yung mga bahay dito. Oh. Sabi niya dyan, maganda raw yun. Oh. Maganda naman talaga siya. Ang laki niya. Oh. Ang lamig. Dito tayo sa playground. Yes, baby. Go. Slide, Baba. See ya. Bye. Oh. Hi. Ang lamig. Maganda yung playground dito. Ayan. Yes, Baba. May poso, oh. May bomba. Go, Baba. Wow. And dalawa yung bomba dito, or yung poso. Ayan yung isa.
You know that thing you do push-ups on there?
You wanna do what? Push up? Oh, push up daw siya. Oh, not push up.
Kind of balance.
Ang ganda ng playground dito. And si Sak andun na. Sabi ni Jan, balik na lang kami dito pag maganda yung weather. Kasi maganda mag-walking doon, no? Kita nyo yun doon. And gamit ko yung isa kong coat kasi sobrang lamig. Mahangin. You like it here, Sak? You like the playground? Monkey bar? What's that one? Akala ko monkey bar yun. Hindi pala. Yes! Go, Baba! Push up?
The chin up.
Ah, chin up. Oh, hindi ko alam kung ang tawag doon, guys. Chin up daw. Ha? Don't fall. Si Sak. Go, Sak. Yeah, that's right. Fit ka talaga, Sak. Oh, diba? Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Yan na si Sak. Uy, Sak. Careful, Sak. Yan yung si Sak. Wow. Yes, Baba, wait. So, alis na tayo. Pinicturean ko si Sak nung ginagawa niya yung bar doon. I-insert ko yung mga pictures ni Sak. And vlog ko rin siya. Sabi ko kay Kuya, picturean ko siya doon. Kasi wala talaga siyang picture. Ayan si Kuya. Ayaw niya talaga. One more, last, go! 1, 2, 3. Dito siya sa mas mababa. Go, Kuya! Good job! Thank you. Alright, let's go. Pinicturean ko si Kuya.
You take me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bus stops, they turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go.
Huh? What's that, honey?
Not there.
Nice.
3-story.
No, that's the walk there. Look, you walk up all there.
Yeah. Next
Oh,
time.
look at this thing.
What's that? The house. Big house. That one, huh?
There's
See?
the walk.
Yeah.
How is that a good playground? That wasn't.
Pag maganda na yung weather, balik kami dito kasi maganda dito. We're gonna come back here, right, Han? Daddy?
One day.
Huh?
One day.
One day. One day, pag maganda na yung weather. Pinicturean ko si
When is
Kuya.
that, Polly?
Ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Ayaw niya kasi magpa-picture. Nung palis na, pinilit ko talaga siya magpa-picture siya. Kasi siya lang yung ano,
1.4 million that sold for.
1 point?
4 million.
1 point.
That one.
Oh, eto raw guys, so 1.4 million daw. Bless your heart. Tingnan nyo, i-insert ko to. Ang gwapo ni Kuya dito, oh. Ayaw nyo pa magpa-picture. Okay. Where are we going now? Adelaide? Daddy?
Only 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Nag-stop pala kami dito sa McDonald's.
Where's my lid?
Si Holly umiyak kasi gusto niyang sumama, eh hindi pwede. And si Sak, ito yung in-order niya sa McDonald's kasi hindi nga siya kumakain ng McDonald's, di ba? Whose drink is this, Holly?
Hollis.
Ako, mayroon akong cheeseburger. Who's that one?
Me.
What's that?
Chicken deluxe.
Chicken deluxe. Where's my chicken? Cheeseburger, honey. This is your Sak, oh. You can dip the chips. Like this.
Oh wait,
You can-
I don't have a.
Oh, yeah, I can share your chips.
I got chips.
Yeah.
I got chips.
Huh? Okay. Gusto ni Kuya mag-dip din
Is this
sa
Holly's mum?
McFlurry. Okay.
Where's my lid? Where's my
Just be careful with the drink, okay?
Hold this really sick. I can open it. No, don't open that.
Don't open that lid. Just put the straw. Ayan kay Kuya Chicken Deluxe. Sa akin meron akong ano eh, cheeseburger.
Have it. Good,
Yeah, okay sa.
Mom, this.
Yan lang ang kanya. Ayaw niya ng ano.
Oh, I got it wooden.
Ayaw niya ng wooden spoon. Ayan, okay na siya, oh. Kanina umiiyak siya, di ba? Ngayon, okay na siya, oh. Ganun lang siya. What's that, Holly? Ito sa akin, cheeseburger. Si Holly, chicken nuggets, baba?
Yeah. How much?
Yep, okay. Lunch na to. Anong oras na ba? Alas 12 na eh. Past 12 na.
9.
Nandun si Jan, oh. Kila Kylie.
6.
Yun siya, oh. So, kain muna tayo. Look at that. Oh, look, it's so close.
Yeah, no,
Can you...
Is that one outside?
Ang lapit nung isang car sa car namin. Panagbukas ng pinto.
Chicken nuggets that.
Yun na yun. Ayan lang yung lunch natin.
No. I should buy mine.
You right, Zach? Do you wanna buy?
No thanks.
No,
I
thanks.
don't like cheese.
Ayaw yun talaga ng McDonald's. Yan lang yung in-order niya sa
I don't
McDonald's.
like this. I think that's a good burger.
Let her,
Dad, you should try this. This is good.
try. Try, Zach. You wanna try?
Not like me.
Yeah, he will. Just,
I want to eat that.
okay.
I took
Try
the
niya.
cheese out.
Go.
I can't.
Pinatry. Ano, what do you think?
Hot.
You like it? No.
I need to eat some. Well, I think I left some cheese in there.
Ayaw talaga ni Sak yung burger. I-dip niya na lang daw yung chips. Okay.
Mommy.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, eat it.
Yeah, goodbye.
No, I'm alright. Thank you. Tapos na siyang kumain.
Here. Let me have my bite.
Where are we going now? Remove your walkie-talkie, please, hon. Ang pangit na ng weather. Umuulan na.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.